Yo, what's going on, guys? So I'm back with another food review. Today, well, if you can see in the background, we're at Panera Bread. This is actually my first time being here, and I ordered myself a steak and white cheddar sandwich steak. There it is. Smells good. So here we go. Panera Bread going in. Not sure what kind of sauce they put on this. I think it's like, I don't know what the hell it is. And I'm not going to pretend like I know what it is. But kind of tastes like spicy mustard. But it's really good. Really, really good. I don't know what this stuff is right here, to be honest. Is that the steak? That better not be a tomato. Because if so, it'd be my first time eating a tomato and it's not that bad. I don't think it is. I hope it ain't. That is really good. Look at that meat. Woo! Mom, you know what that is? You think it's a tomato? No. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Really, really good, guys. My first time here. Here's a little bit more of the meat. Oh my God. Alright guys, well I'm getting out of here. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment and turn them post notification bells on so you don't miss out on yours truly. Alright guys, I'm out of here. Bye. See you in the next one.